If you are growing tulip or daffodils, this video is for you. Once the flowering is done, what to do? Those flower buds going to be converted to seeds, and we don't want the seeds to suck the energy from plant and impact the growth of the bulb. Because tulip or daffodils, those plants, once the flowering done, their green leaves are storing their energy into the bulbs. As much the healthy the bulbs are, next year you will get lot of good size flowers. So remove all those seed buds via hand because it's easy for tulip to just break it with nice pressure via hand. Better to use gloves because there might be some insects, so better use gloves and remove those either via hand or using a pruner or scissor. Cut the same for daffodils as well. Daffodils is easy like the same, you can remove them from using hand or scissor or pruner. This will encourage the growth in the bulb. All the energies will be stored in the bulb and they will get a good size. Hope you like the video and that's going to helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel Passionate Gardener. Until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye Passionate Gardener.